My name is Ghislain Noumsi. I'm from Cameroon. Here everybody calls me Dr. G, which makes it a lot more easier. And I work in the scientific support service at LifeShare Blood Center. Now, when we talk about blood, what is blood? Is it's the recurrent question. Basically, blood is a fluid. It's a bodily fluid which transports all the nutrients and the oxygen to the cells, to the body cells, and transport all the waste from the cells to be excreted out of the body. So that is blood, is the body fluid. Now, you have two main constituents in the blood. You have the plasma, which is about 55% of blood and is mostly water. And you have the cells. And in the cells, you have different types. You have the red cells, you have the white cells, and you have the platelets. Those are the main cells you find into blood. Now, here at LifeShare, we mostly worked on the red cells. And on the red cells, you have what we call blood type, or red cells, or red blood cells type. We test for the antigens, the protein on the surface, on the membrane of those cells, and the most common is the ABO. Personally, I'm group A, which means that on my red cells, I have the proteins for the group A antigens. But besides the ABO system, you have different other systems on the red cells. Actually, there is more than 400 different antigens on the red cells. Of course, we cannot type for all those, but we type for quite a few, which are really important in blood transfusion. Among them, I can say we type for the ABO, we type for the MNS, which is another system. We type for the KEL antigen, which is another one. We type for the KIDS antigen. We type for the RH antigens. And in these different systems, for example, the RH, we can type for several different elements in these systems. In the ABO, we type for different elements. In the MNS, we type for different elements. We type for the M, the N, the big S, the little s. So those are the tests we perform to determine which blood type a person has. But as I said, they are much more than that. They are much more than that, and most of the time we type for the very rare one when for example, a patient receives blood and reacts against that blood, and we want to find why the patient reacted, and what is the antigen the patient reacted against. We go and type for, at that time we can go and type for 7 different antigens in both the systems.